Hello guys, this is Boys YGB for short, and I thought, what is the script? I don't even have a script. Wait, what am I gonna do again? Right, tutorial video. Oh boy, let's just look on the old phone real quick. Okay, just grab my phone. Just grab the phone, you dumbo. We're on the old phone. Let's see how this video's going. And 17 views. Yep. And let's see how 18 views. 8 views. That's not the best, but okay. I can get it. 18 views. 36, 24, 90. Yeah, I can see my decline. But let's ease into my increase in views lately. As you guys can see, my old videos have been doing better, are better than my new ones, because they're mostly, not gacha videos, and cringy gacha videos, and this wasn't really the cringiest, but it was pretty cringe. Well, let's continue our content, So, why are we here? Alright, this is the tutorial on how to make gacha videos. Before we do a full gacha skit, this is part 1. You want to do a full flipping gacha skit of just a small gacha skit? Alright, first you gotta go to your easy YouTube. Go to your local memes. Choose a meme. And use some ungodly way to get its audio. Like this.
Check out my second
No. No. And then you go like this if your thing can do that. And then you just go to your typical. You download this app called Smart Recorder. At least this is the way I do it. I'm teaching you guys how the way I do it. And to do this, I record it. Hello. Watch. Hello, God. Oh, hold up.
This could be your visit. Cheat on your man, homie. Try to sneak through the door, man. Can't make it. The shit's stuck. Out of my way, son. There's a misinput. Calm down. You calm
What the hell? Huh. Maybe just ease into the decline of my mental health. Yeah. Okay, just trust me, it works. It's not clear. Alright, next you go to your flipping gacha, and then you all you have to do is take screenshots. Just screenshot a scene one by one. You know how the scenes go. Blah blah blah. Just do that, and you're done. No, you're done. Just download CapCut and do the rest. Just download CapCut and do this. What is presented to you?
First place, and who the heck is this new guy?
I better not get copyright strikes for my own video. That'd be stupid, YouTube. And you just dumb. As you can see, you can extend and unextend your videos. Also, this is not a little sneak peek because it's kinda already out. Not kinda, but only one scene is out, so this scene will go on for a while, though. Let's see you flipping later, nerds. Alright. You should you just use that thing. This thing teaches you anyway. So that's the bad. So this is the bad thing. Now I'm gonna follow exact steps to make this video. What it took. It's pretty clear. Also to avoid any controversy, that the scale.net thing on how to get Among Us mod, how to get Among Us. Wait, I forgot how to get Among Us mods downloaded on your phone. Well, I'm gonna show you that it works. Alright, let's get on. Ease into my end. Okay. Oh no, my game crashed. Oh, just kidding. Now, as you can see, I'm finding a game currently, and I'm scale.net. You can see. Let me show a good one. Let me do zombies. Couldn't I find it? Alright, it takes, for me at least, it takes a little while to get into a pub. But you can do zombies. Zombies is not the, Town of Us is the best. Is the best version. So, I'm gonna show you how, also, maybe Among Us gameplay later. Right after this video, I'll do Among Us gameplay after this video. See ya. Guys, this is Yeet God Boys YDB. Hello guys, this is Yeet God Boys YDB for short, and today we're gonna do another video of this proof video of and gameplay video of Among Us. Today we're gonna play some spicy Among Us. Yes. I don't even know that language. You're speaking, bruh. Or maybe it'd just be some random internet Morse code or something like that. Vote. Lord. Referencing one of my videos intros. Let's go. Ease into the decline of my mental health. Come on, let's go. Alright, let's go. As you can see, a lot of things have changed, and there's zombies in this game mode, so. And how you play is oh god. Okay, ease into the decline of my mental health. No! That was dirty. That was a dirty move, bro. You gotta be kidding me. How do you know I was even there? Nerd? What the? Yep. Got touched. Oi. Boy. Oi, mate. You gotta check all the oi mates. Hello. What's locking us in here? I know the guy, but bruh, you're stopping the other hordes of zombies. Stop it. Please. Get some helpy. This is not okie dokie. Alright. Let's get on a different game. Since I'm kind of bored on that one. Sometimes you hate... Bruh, I only left one game. I haven't even been playing Among Us for a while. Bruh.